Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? Today we have a full review on the Samsung M30S Android 10 One UI 2.0. Now I received this update a week ago and I was working on understanding what's going on here because every Samsung phone has its own update. For example, the Note 10 One UI One UI 2.0 didn't actually have a lot of feature that is not here. So I have to show you this. Now first, before I just go any further, I want to show you the, as you can see here, this is the One UI 2.0, Android 10, this is base model. So let's just start first off. Okay, when it comes to navigation, everything looks nice and smooth, nothing really weird about this and different. But if we just start first from the, let's just say first, navigation. First off is navigation, okay? So if you want to navigate through applications and go through other things, this is most critical things, by the way, to how to use navigation in a smart way. All right, so let's go here. I'm gonna show you where's the section of the navigation. First you go to display, then you go to navigation bar, and then you're gonna see this. As you can see, these two navigation buttons. Now, tricky thing is, if you click on full screen gestures, okay, then it will be an option here. Can you see that? It's called more options. So it's something like hidden behind something, guys. You cannot even view it. It should be part of the option. So when you click on more options, and then bam, what do you have here? We have swipe from side bottom. This is where all these stock Androids navigation bar. So when you click on it, and then yeah, there you go. You have the small navigation. Now you can like be just like any Android phone that you enjoy playing with. So instead of just sliding from up and down and 3 different categories here, you just go back. Like for example, let me just show you. If you go to setting, you go back sliding right or left. Same thing if you're lefty, you can do it. Same thing. Minimizing screen. You want to turn it off, drag it, just like the Pixel, guys, just like a pure Android. This is supposed to be on the main setting, guys, not other options. I mean, come on, Samsung, you should just be better than that. So this is the first thing, the navigation bar. Now we have better navigation. The second thing is the camera. So when you go to the camera, you can see here, let me just try to flip this thing. You can see here in the more section, you can just, for example, drag slow motion and put it here. You can drag night pictures, as you can see here. I'll put it here. So, and you can save it. So you can just play with the icons and stuff like that. That's a cool thing about the camera that you can just play with. Now, gaming. Okay, so first off, let me drag the icons here. Of course, there is no screen recorder, so this is one of the things that is not one of the, should be one of the Android 10 update, but it's not in the M30S. So Samsung decided that what feature should go for what phone. That's the only thing. It's not universal, so keep that in mind. When you go to search, let's go for the Game Hub. So there's a game launcher, and also there is something called game plugins from Samsung. So when you go game launcher, as you can see, I have the Dolphin emulator. So if we want to go to the PlayStation 2, I want to go to the PlayStation 2, right? So here, PlayStation 2, just loading. Forget about PlayStation 2. Let's go to the Dolphin emulator. Okay, so Dolphin, we have Zelda, for example. All right. So how can you access the Game Hub or the dashboard? So you just slide down and you see here something called Game Booster. So before, here you can see, this is the dashboard. So let me show you here. So this is the dashboard, as you can see. Now there is plugin. Now when you don't have the plugin here, which is called Game Booster Plus, when you click on it, it's 2 different applications actually. Let me just show you. They're both in the same place. So when you click on it, All right, you have Game Booster. When we click on the icon here, which is, as you can see, this one, game plugin, you will access other stuff. Now, before I just go here, I don't wanna confuse you. I wanna go here and tap on Game Booster. Then we have this dashboard. So this dashboard actually is just I don't know. It doesn't show you exactly the technical stuff that you need to see. So you have monitoring temperature. When you see it, you just what is this? On and off. All right. You have monitoring memory. Oh, memory temperature. What? I don't see any numbers, any statistics, right? So here you have record, you have screenshot, and you have screen touch lock. Now if you go to record, you're gonna record the sound. There is no camera. Okay, you're gonna record only the sound if you click on this record. But you'll see this icon here. You see these like small icons? There's also an addition things that you can have. So when you click on this setting, you can add whatever application that should be a pop-up for you here while you're playing, of course. So when you click on it, let's just say, for example, I want to open the camera. Bam, I have the camera here. But I can also switch between front and back. See? And if I say decide I'll make it on the back, for example, or front, you can hold this and drag it anywhere. But here's the thing, it's too big, right? It's not for recording games. But you can just play around with it. So if you want to make it, you want to minimize it, for example, just tap in on the top here. Okay, it's just a tricky. You have to be, yeah, just like this. Hold on the top, squeeze it down, you have it smaller. Now you can also extend it from the right and left, just like this. Okay, let's just say it's that small, right? So you want to play games and stuff, right? You're basically gonna see some stuff like the recording in your face. It's really hard to play games like that, especially if you want to play like whatever PUBG. So let's just say you want to go the other way. So here you can just do it like this. Go to video, put it on the just like Twitch gamer, and then the only way you can deal with this is to click record. So this is the only way you can play with this. Otherwise, you cannot just do this feature in any other way. So that's the only way you can minimize or remove these words. So you're gonna deal with this. Anyways, that's the when it comes to the recording with your camera. Unfortunately, there is not the feature, or actually Samsung didn't actually apply the feature of having the circle design camera. It's something special for the Note series and the higher tier series of these Samsung phones. It's not in here. All right, so after this, what else we have? We go here, we go to the Game Booster Plus. So when you click on the Game Booster, you will see this icon here. There's setting, and there is this little icon here. So if you touch this little icon, you're gonna see this cat over here going crazy with the table. I don't know what's going on here. Actually, the cat is so bored, as you can see her face. That doesn't matter. So it's gonna be like this. It's been turned off. So once you click on it, it's going to be turned on. You click on it again, it's gonna load some information to your phone, and this is actually pretty cool stuff. So let's give it a minute to load. Basically, it's gonna control your CPU temperature, your GPU temperature, your battery performance, and it's gonna show you what you want to do with your games. Like, for example, if there is a game that, let's just start, for example, let's show you where it is. Okay. Emulators are the most demanding thing on the phones. It's gonna kill the CPU or GPU. So let's just say Dolphin emulator. Okay. When you go to the Dolphin emulator, you just click on the custom, drag it up. So what you have here, you have something called high quality, max FPS, balance, and better saving. So better saving is going to show you this dashboard, as you can see. Very nice looking dashboard, just like a gaming laptop, right? You want to have it on balance. You have FPS stability. CPU is not going to be, but if you want to do maximize frame per second, that means you're going to boost the performance at its maximum, and it's going to show you that the temperature is going to be a maximum, the CPU, as you can see here, and GPU is going to be real at maximum. So high temperature, high CPU equal max frames per second. High quality though, when you click on it, what's going on here? Graphical quality is going to increase. It's going to lower your FPS. Now, how can you actually decide if this should be max quality or high FPS? The phone itself is going to decide what's going on. So it depends. Here's also something called auto mode. Apply the best mode automatically based on the analysis of your game data. If you want to just click on this and apply, then it's gonna automatically through AI to identify if you need this so much needed graphics, or maybe the game is not graphically intensive, then shouldn't go that much of intensity to the CPU. Yeah, basically that's about it. Here you can see it's Dolphin now is set for this. Now if we click on the Dolphin, let me just start Dolphin, guys, please. Yeah, now I can play Dolphin. Of course, Zelda is very, very hard to emulate, especially the this version. And here you can see we have nice 60 FPS. Now we're gonna see if actually can handle it. I actually adopted. I adopt is gonna take it. Yeah, there you go. Yep. So the GPU doesn't handle this. Let's go back, exit. Let's try maybe want to play with details game. I don't know. But anyways, this game is not that much tough to emulate. But you got the point, right? So you're gonna try it with different games, with different type of game, and see what's actually good for you. Anyways, this is the most essential things about the update on the M30S. There's nothing else here. I wish they actually did apply more features on the phone when it comes to the update, software update. Hopefully in the next few updates they would actually add to this, because there are a lot of people, a lot of fans for this phone, you know. 6000 mAh battery, nice processor, GPU. Yeah, that's cool. Anyways, this is actually, I forgot to tell you, the battery is actually getting better before. It's around 10% better than before when I used to it. I can see that it's 1 hour more of a screen on time. So that's actually pretty good. Thank you guys for watching the video. This is a long one, but you know, it's by your request. Thank you guys for watching the video. Take care, be safe, and see you guys later.